This is really good.
Green tea. I think that's for them. Yeah.
After collected tea leaves, we put on the trough.
Oh, look.
You see
look.
the mist, the fog.
Oh wow.
Overlap.
It's happening fast.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog here in Sri Lanka. We just got to Kandy last night. Look at the view, guys. We are here in Amaya Hills. This is also my hometown. I grew up here and it's really good to be back. For today's plan, we're actually leaving Kandy. We're going to Ella. Now it's 7:30 a.m. We're gonna meet our driver around 9 and then we're gonna head to the train station. But for now, we're just gonna get ready, pack our bags and head down for breakfast. And check out this view. You can see all the mountains there. It's morning, so it's a bit misty at the moment. But sure it's beautiful. I think I'm gonna fly the drone. Just so this, you can't leave the door open here. Monkeys will come to your room. There's a lot of monkeys in Kandy. If you guys are in a hotel in Kandy, make sure to lock your doors. We are here for breakfast now. So I got dosa, some fish curry, bacon, sausage, grilled tomatoes and some coconut sambal. So it's just like a mixture of everything. And also I got fruits, so just papaya, pineapple, some curd and watermelon. And for drinks, it's a banana latte. And what a perfect place to have breakfast with the beautiful view in front of us. So we're just gonna quickly eat because our driver is coming in 15 minutes. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the van.
Talk in English we call we are going to Kandy.
Right.
But when we talk in Sinhala, we say we are going to Nuwara. Nuwara means the main city, the royal city.
So you can tell you're closer to Nuwara Eliya when you see all the tea plantations around you.
Windy roads.
You're like so high up now. You guys can see everything here. So there's a rice paddy here and all the tea plantations, and also there's a dam here. So we're going to cross this mountain and then we'll reach Nuwara Eliya. There's also like a small shop here, so we're just gonna check it out while we are here. We'll just look.
Oh, sure, the door is there.
This one is like a Sri Lankan chessboard. Look at all these ornaments, guys. Oh, that's for cooking.
What is it?
Yeah.
No worries. You can use it for serving purposes, serving curries.
It's made with the coconut shell.
That's a cool gift, huh?
So cute. Shot glasses. You got the traditional masks here. Yeah, on the other side, you can see the waterfall. There's like two waterfalls. There's one here and one there. Just gonna go back to the shop. There's some interesting stuff here.
You can go up.
Up?
Stop, stop. Oh, okay. Should we go?
Yes, yes. You can see the full view. Yeah.
Let's go. So from you can go upstairs from here. There's a nice viewpoint. Oh. Alright, so we are here at a tea factory. What's the name of the tea factory?
Labookellie.
The Labookellie tea factory. You can see there's a lot of tourists around here.
Local people made.
Local too?
Yeah.
So the good thing about visiting a factory here is you can get like the real fresh tea. Most of the tea that you get in store like mixed with chemicals and stuff, but there's like fresh tea here straight from the factory. Look at all these teas.
So I'll explain a little bit about our tea garden and the factory. Then we can see inside the tea factory. We have two different tea plants. Black tea and green tea come from same plant, just different process. In this tea factory we are making only black tea. We have another tea factory for the green tea. We have very special tea plant called white tea plant. Silver and golden tea come from that plant. So white tea plant not like this green color. Tea leaf is red color. You can see inside the tea factory. I'll explain the process for you.
Okay, thank you. That's a great introduction to this place. So now we're going inside the factory to see how it's all made. You can smell the tea already.
We are crushing downstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all. This is the first step for black tea process. All this withering, meaning is drying. After collected tea leaves, we put on the trough to turn on that fan's normal air. Come this way, we drying tea leaf 12 hours. Our second step, it's rolling, crushing. So rolling machine installed down floor. We can see it's also. Shall we go there?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, please.
This tea smells so good.
Smells nice. That is the second step, the corner. We call that rolling, crushing. After half drying upstairs, tea leaves come within that bags, within that holes, small trolleys. We send that side. The hello. Now you can see the corner. We collect small beans.
Yeah.
So now we have black tea.
Doing another drying process here. It takes the brown leaves to black, so it's dried more. She says that the tea leaves last longer and smells better, stronger smell. So we are here at this final step. So this is where they separate the leaves and the stems.
This is black tea.
Black tea.
Another factory for the green tea.
Oh, right.
Okay.
So now she's taking us to try some different types of teas. Do you get cake too?
Yes.
Cake as well.
Tea cake.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So the final tea samples. Some golden tea and this is silver tea. So this is the one I explained before. Very special herbal tea. Here no caffeine. If we drink this tea, we want to take very few tea bites per 1 cup. We can reuse 3-4 times same day. Green tea we can reuse 2 times twice. Black tea only 1 time. But silver golden tea we can reuse 3-4 times. We add dry pieces, natural fruits, flowers, spices like that. We mix all together. We call flavors tea. Here also we do a lot of flavors tea. Some flavors are coming with black tea. Some flavors are coming with green tea like that. These are the samples. Wow. The strawberry, mint, Earl Grey, hibiscus like that.
All these different colors here, the teas, so they have different strength and different taste. So that's why you see this like a few different types here. I kind of want to try the tea cake. Yeah, we'll try the tea cake. Yeah.
1 chocolate cake, 1 tea cake. Both you can eat.
Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
English breakfast tea.
I never tried tea cake before, so this is gonna be my first time.
This one's the tea cake. That's the tea cake and the BOP English breakfast tea. Then we've got also a chocolate cake as a
Looks really
bonus.
fresh.
And Anna's English special. Yeah, it is a lot smoother.
Smoother than what we
this
drink
is
in New
different
Zealand, yeah.
This is really good. You'll like this.
Yeah.
It's really fluffy and light, and I don't think you can taste like any tea, but it's definitely in there.
It's so soft.
Yeah. It's soft in the mouth as well.
Tori's trying the chocolate cake now.
This looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're both good. I like really like the tea one though. It's
Tea
really
one?
different. Oh no,
The
look.
mist, the fog.
Oh wow.
It's going to be covered now. Huh? Once in the lower
It's happening
lower
fast.
area, yeah.
You can see the mist moving. The color too, it's
Yeah.
it's like
That's
lighter.
how they make it. Actually, to make tea, that is also another like a skillful work.
We are in the store now. Going to
some
buy
green
some tea. Green tea. I think that's for them. Yeah.
Green tea card here. Green.
Oh, yes.
So this is green tea.
Okay. Yeah. How much for one?
Altogether 4,500.
Oh yes.
So this is 1,200.
Well, thank you. You're back in the van. How was the experience?
Really good. I got some green tea and then some black tea as well. Okay.
And the cake, I'll never forget the tea cake. So good. And it was so interesting to see the tea process.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely check this place out if you guys here. It's called the Damro Tea Factory. So it's a 45 minutes to the train station in Nuwara Eliya. So yeah.